Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the polychromatic effect for your videos in the CapCut Mobile. So here I have this video and I want to apply the polychromatic effect. So what you need to do is go to Effect and click on the video effect. Here just swipe through the category and select star, and here find the polychromatic effect. So there are two polychromatic effect that you can use in here. This is the second one, and let's try to find the first one. Just scroll down. I cannot seem to find. Okay, this one. So just select between the first and the second. The first one is free, but the second version is on the Pro, so I'm going to just use the first one here. You can adjust the size, amount, and also filter. And after that, just click on the check icon and make sure it applies to the entire clip. So this is the result, and that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.